Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're doing something special. So we've got two birthdays coming up, Izzy.
Yep.
So
Tom- um,
tomorrow,
is Super Younger birthday.
Super Younger's birthday is tomorrow.
And next to Super Younger birthday is my brother.
And then on Sunday, it's Adam's birthday. And Higgs just joined us on the table. Yeah, Higgs, get off the table. You're moving the camera around.
Iggy.
Higgs is on the table.
Momo. Iggy.
Higgs, come here. Yeah, everybody, that's Higgs. Get down. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
So easy. We start at the bottom here and we draw a little wide and bold shape, just a curved line like that.
Okay.
And we take two lines up, just like that, not too far up. And then from there, in the same arc as the bottom line, we're gonna do frosting that's running down the cake. But watch this. Watch this, how the top of my line is going to form an arc with the same a curve in the same style as the other line. In the same exact curve, it follows that shape. Can you see how it makes an arc like that? Okay, that's good enough, that's cool. So this is frosting running down. Now we get to add a topping to our cake. So, what's your topping going to be? So you're gonna draw a super younger cake, and I'm gonna draw a cake for Adam. So Adam likes boxing, so I'm gonna draw a boxing glove on here. Okay. So here we go. You go your way. I go do my boxing glove. So the cuff first, and you've got a head shape, I see. The thumb. Next to the fingers of the glove first. And we can have some stitching lines. That's a boxing glove on top of a cake. And you've got the super younger, a red character thing. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. And does it have a little body? I'm not sure.
Yep.
Okay, you draw it, you draw it, you draw it. Okay, so that's your little super younger character.
Yep.
That's cool.
With a big ear.
With the big ears, with a big hair or ears, whichever one it is, I'm not sure. And now it's a birthday cake, so we need to add some candles. So we draw little stems like that, because we know there's a little candle. And we're going to draw a bigger flame and a tiny one inside it that can do other color. So we're going to draw little flames on the cake, on the candles on the cake. Now I'm going to complete my cake. This line going behind the glove, behind the candles, curving all the way back here. And down here, I'm going to add another line because it's a layer cake. There's a layer of frosting in the middle down there. So that's going to be, and the frosting is going to be good down here as well. I suppose it can be. And that's our birthday cake. Is that your cake?
Yep.
I like it. It's a big fat burger looking cake. And there we have it, everybody. That's our birthday cake. So happy birthday to Super Younger and happy birthday to Adam. So it's time to color. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our birthday cakes. So happy birthday to Super Younger and to Adam over this weekend.
Yep.
And to everybody else who might have a birthday, happy birthday to everybody who is celebrating over this weekend.
Yeah.
And that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.